Hello friends, I'm Ambuj and today we are talking about an AI upgrade that could change the way the world works forever.
Yes, I am talking about ChatGPT-5. And believe me, this is not just an upgrade. This is a giant leap for AI.
Before we dive into the features, let's understand what makes GPT-5 such a buzz in the AI world. In simple words, ChatGPT-5 is OpenAI's latest language model, now closer than ever to human-level understanding. It's not just about reading or writing text anymore. It's about remembering context, handling different types of inputs, and reasoning far better than GPT-4. Let's talk features. First, persistent memory. GPT-5 can remember your preferences or past conversations. And yes, you can reset the memory anytime. Second, multimodal brilliance. It works with text, images, audio, and even video. Show it a photo or play an audio clip, and it can analyze it instantly. Third, real-time internet access. No more outdated information excuses. Fourth, improved reasoning. It solves complex problems up to twice as well as GPT-4. And finally, faster responses, lower latency, higher output quality. After the launch, the tech world went into a frenzy. Elon Musk tweeted, "GPT-5 feels eerily close to AGI, both exciting and concerning." Sam Altman said, "This is the closest we've been to building something truly useful for everyone, every day." And Sundar Pichai hinted that the AI race has now become even more intense. So, how does GPT-5 stack up against the competition? Compared to GPT-4, it has better memory, reasoning, multimodal capability, and speed. Compared to Grok's humor and Elon Musk-style personality are unique, but GPT-5's accuracy and depth of data are far superior. Compared to Google Gemini 1.5 Pro, Gemini's search integration is powerful, but GPT-5's mix of creativity and logic feels unbeatable.
If you want me to bring GPT-5 live demos, hacks, and secret prompts that will make your work super easy, then subscribe to the channel now, right, and hit the bell icon.
With every tech advancement comes risk. Experts warn that GPT-5 could be misused for misinformation, deepfakes, or automated scams. OpenAI has added safeguards, but as the model gets more powerful, the potential for misuse also increases. This is just the beginning. OpenAI's roadmap includes more advanced reasoning, deeper personalization, and multi-agent collaboration. Soon, your AI could be writing your emails, designing your graphics, and even representing you in meetings.
If you want me to bring GPT-5 live demos, hacks, and secret prompts that will make your work super easy, then subscribe to the channel now, right, and hit the bell icon.